Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Daily Talking. My name is Alex. This is our Easy English podcast. In our last episodes, we talked about my daily routines, cooking, going to the gym, but sometimes in the evening, I am very tired. I don't want to cook, I don't want to exercise, I just want to sit. On these days, it is a perfect night for a movie. Movie. Today's topic is watching a movie at home. I love watching movies at home. Going to the cinema, cinema, is nice. The screen is very big. But at home, it is more comfortable. Remember that word? Comfortable. Comfortable. It means soft and relaxing. At home, I can sit on my sofa. I can use my favorite blanket. My cat, Misty, can sit with me. Before I start the movie, I must prepare. First, I make the room dark. I close the curtains, I turn off the big light, and I turn on the small lamp. It feels like a real cinema. Second, and this is very important, I need snacks. Snacks. Snacks are small food you eat, not a big meal. What is the number one perfect movie snack? Yes, popcorn. Popcorn. I love popcorn. I have a special bag of popcorn for the microwave. Microwave, the microwave. I put the bag in the microwave, I press the button, I wait 3 minutes, and I hear the sound. Pop, pop, pop. It smells fantastic. I put the hot popcorn in a big bowl. I also need a drink. I get a cold glass of water or soda. Sometimes, I also eat chocolate. Okay, the room is dark, my snacks are ready, my drink is ready, Misty is on the sofa. Now, what movie will I watch? There are so many choices. What type of movie should I watch? What genre? Genre. Let's talk about my favorite genres. Genre 1. I love comedy. Comedy. A comedy is a funny movie. I like to laugh. Laugh. Ha ha ha. Comedies are good when I am tired or sad. They make me feel happy. Genre 2. I like action. 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 Action movies are fast. They are exciting. Exciting. There are car chases and explosions. Boom! These movies are very fun to watch with popcorn. What genres do I not like? I do not really like horror movies. Horror. Horror movies are scary. Scary. They make me jump. No, I want to relax. So no horror movies for me. Tonight, I feel tired. I want to laugh. I will choose a comedy. I press play. The movie starts. I will tell you about the last comedy I watched. It was called The Lost City. The story was simple. There was a writer, a woman. She writes books about adventure. And there was a model, a man. He is the handsome hero on the cover of her books. The writer is very smart. The model is not very smart, but he is funny. A bad man, a very rich bad man, thinks her book is real. He thinks she knows where to find a real treasure. Treasure. So he kidnaps her. He takes her to a jungle. The model, the handsome but silly man, decides to save her. It is very funny. He is not a real hero. They run through the jungle, they fall down, they meet snakes. I laughed a lot. It was a good movie. It was silly, but fun. The movie is finished. It was 2 hours long. The credits roll. I turn on the light. Whew, that was fun. I look at my popcorn bowl. It is empty. EMPTY. All the popcorn is gone. I look at Misty. She is sleeping. She did not watch the movie. I feel relaxed. My brain is happy. I take the empty bowl to the kitchen. Now I am sleepy. It is time for bed. So that is my perfect movie night at home. Dark room, comfortable sofa, a big bowl of popcorn, and a funny movie. It is a great way to relax after a long week. What about you? Do you like watching movies at home? What is your favorite genre? Comedy, action, or maybe horror? And what is your favorite snack? Thank you for listening to Daily Talking. My name is Alex. See you next time. Goodbye.